How to do a weighted drawing on RandomPicker.com. A weighted drawing is where some entrants have a different chance of winning. When would you want to do that? Well, for example, if you're doing a raffle and you want to give your customers a chance to buy many more tickets instead of just one ticket for one person. Or maybe you're a company and you want to give purchasers of expensive products a double chance of winning instead of purchasers of a basic product. Or maybe you're doing some kind of quiz and the participant has to correctly answer the question to be eligible to win the prize. And so if they didn't, you can assign a 0 value so they would be excluded from the raffle. For most drawings, each entry has an equal chance of winning. But sometimes you want to do a raffle where participants have different chances of winning. And that's what a weighted drawing is, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's say you want to do a drawing where you're selling tickets and you want people to have the chance to buy as many tickets as they want to increase their chance of winning the raffle prize. From your My Drawing Projects page on Random Picker, click on Create New Project. Give your project a name. And where you see chance of winning, by default, the upper bullet has all entries have the same chance of winning. And you don't want to choose that. You want to choose the lower bullet. Some entries have a different chance of winning. A weighted drawing. Okay, so let's next add our prizes. We'll just put smartphone in for the sake of example. And let's add our entrants. By default, the manual copy and paste is chosen, and you definitely don't want that. What you do want is to choose Import Data File. Once you click that button, you're going to see some important instructions. And the XLS file that you upload needs to have 3 columns. The first column is a public identifier that all the participants can see. The second column is an internal identifier for the administrator of the raffle to see. Only the administrator can see column 2. Now, most importantly, column 3 is the weight assignment for each participant. And that's where you would put in number of tickets or weight. And that could be as low as 0 or as high as 1,000. Let's upload a file now that fits these criterion. Okay. We've chosen a file, and now we're going to upload it. File has been uploaded. And so you can see there's the public information, the first column. And then the second column is the internal note. And the third column is for the weight. And as you can see, there's different weights for each participant. And there's one with 0. So this person has no chance of winning. And now you're ready to do a test draw. And there you have it. We have our winner, and they had a weight of 17. And so now you're ready to do a final drawing. And there you see the number of participants and that it is in fact a weighted drawing. And we proceed to the final drawing. and you're all finished. It's that easy to do. A weighted drawing on RandomPicker.com.